Hello, in this quick tutorial I will show you how you can easily access your cPanel from your hostinger. For that you have to log in your hostinger account first. I am logged in with my user and password. And this is my hostinger account, and I want to access my cPanel. So for that you have to go your hosting. This is the hosting, and you need to press on manage, and then you say three different part: file manager, database, and WordPress preview. I want to access my cPanel, so I need to click on file manager. Press on public HTML, and this is the all data. You can easily access cPanel from your hostinger account like that. Hope video helpful. Please thumbs up and do subscribe. Thank you for watching.